That's Morgan. I'm Elliot. We've realised that this usual tool, the Swiss Army knife, has many functions that not many people understand. We today, in this video, decided to explain it for you. We hope you enjoy.
Bottle opener. Opening bottles. Keywing. Kindly carrying a stranger's shopping.
Stop! Thief!
Knife. For youths.
Littler knife.
For littler youths.
Corkscrew.
Pooping balloons.
The random wanger.
Measuring street cred.
2. 5. 10. Mini Shepherd Star.
TWEESERS.
November maintenance.
Toothpick.
Poke.
TWEESERS.
For removing toothpick.